My current focus as a Damon Runyon Fellow is understanding the genetic basis of acute lymphoblastic leukemia and how that contributes to either therapy resistance or disease acceleration. One of the projects that I'm working on is actually looking at a specific group of patients that relapse after treatment, and their relapse is associated with a high degree of refractory disease or insensitivity to a chemotherapy drug. And we know that within this group, there's a specific genetic change. And we're hoping that we can leverage this genetic change to create a new therapy for patients or redefine a therapy that may be now curative to these patients. I always wanted to be a little bit closer to the clinic. And even the most basic discovery efforts, I felt like I was still on the outside and not approaching the clinical significance that I wanted to get to. We're able to interface with some of the clinicians directly and go round on patients. I'm able to see the patients every day in the lobby or in the cafeteria and speak with them about their experience at the hospital. And so that has really been a defining moment for continuing to give me energy to pursue cancer research. Pediatric cancer is they're a special population, and they really need to be treated as such. For the most of the time, especially in acute leukemias, we have focused on how can we better get rid of the disease, and we haven't focused too much on the impact to patients. Moving forward, I think we become more cognizant of the effects of high-dose chemotherapy in children, and now we're working towards, as a field, we're working towards reducing the amount of chemotherapy that we give patients so that we can give them a better quality of life later on as adults. The Damon Runyon Fellowship is probably the best fellowship for postdoctoral scholars that's available. They have a level of support, but for the postdocs, from the staff level, from the support that you get for activating your award, to creating a community of scientists. So it's just an amazing fellowship and opportunity, and the support level is not matched anywhere else.